like Velmurugan sir is with us, and I just want to have an introduction about him and then to take it forward. It's an interesting session which is going to happen from now because he's a very inspiring person. And recently, uh, when we got introduced and then when we spoke about it, like it was such a inspiring story, his story. So I just want someone to go ahead with the introduction part.
Hi,
It's really
Hiran,
great to
please.
yes, sir. It's really great to have you here, sir. Here with us, Mr. Velmurugan Selvaraju started his journey in young age and had a multiple industrial experience born in India. By education, an aeronautical engineer, but by passion and profession, an entrepreneur. He successfully established business in Australia and developing innovative products for biking industry to transport them into international market. Now it's time to hear from about the openings, startup opportunities, and how to set business in Australia. We are excited to hear from you, sir. Over to you, sir.
That's so nice. So actually, I just wanted to add on few more things about him. Like a person who's in aeronautical engineering and then like who has got lot and lot of passion towards the business and now like he's an entrepreneur. And he started his own business, not in India. And he started in Australia, and then now like he's also having some backup offices in India, and he's doing predominantly well in that. So it's something interesting. Like it's not just about a person's like you go for the studies and then like you want to start working. Most of the time, like we had seen the people like working in some place. Very rare to see somebody starts a business. So how did you got this idea? First of all, like I want you to share something to the audience or as well to our followers, like who you are and how you started your life, all that, and followed by give an instruction that how exactly it happened, what kind of thought you had to start a business. Okay, let us hear from you now. Your audio is not clear. We are not able to hear you.
Is it fine now?
Super. Super good.
Great. So it's a story of three idiots, first of all, because it's not only me, it's me and my friend and other friends. So we three person when we started our career in a bachelor's of engineering from aeronautical. The first day of college, I met my friend. His name is Nitish Pushparaj and another friend, Karthik and Manimaran. So Nitish and me met in the first day in inauguration day of our college. So I actually born in India, in North India. South India is my born place, but I brought up in North India. Came to Tamil Nadu the first time in 2012 to start my higher education. But I started doing multiple jobs in Chennai for 2-3 years. And then in 2013, I joined very late. It's very late. I joined in my career in the Bachelor's of Engineering. First day when I met, like it was something different I felt. And now that particular person is a co-founder and partner of my business. So in 2013, when we met, there was like no symptoms of that. But yeah, something was popping up that we are going to do something in our life. So the first day we met, and then afterwards, time gone. But we did a lot of things. Like you see in the movie, like 3 Idiots, what they do, all the things, the
All
other
crazy things.
that we did in our education time. Yes, we did. Me, my friends, we always used to go for like, except this education, we did a lot. Education we did what is required. Other than that, it's an extracurricular activity. We used to go seminars, conferences, workshops. We used not to refuse any one event. We used to go in Chennai, Coimbatore. We used to go and attend. So that's how it started. Being a lot of workshops we attended, gain a significant experience which we required to do the business. And I'm the person, only one person, doing my engineering, but in my library, in my car, I always used to take the business books. Always, all these are management books, but doing engineering. So that's how it started. But in 2017, We are just coming out from our college. So we got in some business idea. We tried out, we spoke to many of the people about our business idea, and we wanted to establish as a business in India in 2017. What happened? We got a good potential business idea, but there is a lack of experience, which we got from books, but that is not a practical experience. So we spoke to investor, they also agreed for that, but there was something happened in the back that we need to like go for our education, mostly not in the business side. That was mentality happens, right, in the education time when we do. So it all went like in 2017, like everything got crashed. So we thought, okay, the job is the one thing there we can do earnings, not a business. So business is something different that we should not think of it. That's what we thought. So in 2017, we all, these three idiots separated. One of my friend Nitish, he came to Australia, and I moved to Chandigarh for starting my own business. And another of my friend, he moved to some other place and doing job. So we split it, but in 2014 itself, we got some business ideas, right? And we said like we are going to implement that without any cost, and the no problems is going to like face by in the future. Let's we split in the 2017 and do something and gain the experience, learn from the industries, whatever we can learn, and then when we go for this our business establishment, then we can do some wonder. So that's how it went. In 2017, when he left to Australia, he started approaching a lot of universities. So that's how we came to a Flinders New Venture Institute. So it's a Flinders New Venture Institute is like an incubator, accelerator programmer, and along with the support of government in South Australian government, they sponsored our visa. So how this happened? So we got a business idea. It's a startup business idea. We like aeronautical engineering. We said them that we are going to manufacture electric aircraft in Australia, and they got like it was amazing. It's a good concept that how we are going to build it. We given all the big picture. That was not realistic. That was not realistic. We given all big picture that we are going to do this, and this much people we are going to employ, everything. So when we came here, like after getting the visa approval in 2019, it was like a big struggle for us. But eventually in 2020, we incorporated our company with the support of South Australian government and our incubator Flinders New Venture Institute. So the journey started. So that's how it went so far. In 2021, in 2020 in September, we got a potential idea that aircraft industry is not going to work for next at least 5 to 10 years due to this COVID situation. So in 2021, we got like biking industry is going to be revolutionary, and there is a lot of technology is going to come in this particular one. So we started developing a technology, and we are just going to about in September, we are going to launch our product in Australia. That's with the support of South Australian government.
That's so nice.
So this is what our backend story.